Again, welcome to Chem Classroom with Aunty Taiwo. If you haven't subscribed, kindly do so and click on the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our videos. So today we'll be going to mass to mole relationship. In our past videos, we have been able to learn stoichiometric calculations under mass to mass, mass to volume. So today we are going to be solving a practical question on the board. And like I usually say, when you are solving stoichiometric problems or calculations, you have to have a balanced equation before you proceed to solve the question. So let's go to the board and see what we have today. Okay, so mass to mole calculation. Calculate the mass of lead tetraoxo sulfate 6 formed when 0.01 mole of hydrogen tetrasulfate 6 reacts with what? Lead chloride. So the first thing we are going to do here is to write the reaction. So the reaction is taking place between what? Our hydrogen tetrasulfate 6 plus our lead chloride, yes. Our lead chloride to give us is actually a displacement reaction. So to give us our lead tetraoxo sulfate 6 plus our HCl. So we need to balance the equation. Hydrogen is 2 here, 2. Then chlorine is also 2. So I guess the equation is balanced. So let's proceed back to the reaction, to the question, I mean, to know what was actually requested. Okay, so calculate the mass of lead tetraoxo sulfate 6. So this lead tetraoxo sulfate 6, I'm relating it to mass formed when 0.1 mole of 0.01 mole of H2SO4. So now in this question, I'm relating H2SO4 with mole, and I'm relating my lead tetraoxo sulfate 6 with what? Mass. So the first thing I'm going to do is to calculate the mass, the molar mass of the lead tetraoxo sulfate 6 in the reaction. So my lead is 207 plus my sulfur is 32 plus my oxygen is 16 times 4. So in all, I'm supposed to have 303 gram per mole. Okay, so now this I'm relating it to mole. So and I have only 1 mole. So I will say 1 mole of H2SO4 produced 303 grams of lead tetraoxo sulfate 6. So I will now say, since I'm relating this one, the H2SO4 with mole, 0.01 mole of H2SO4 will produce X gram of lead tetraoxo sulfate 6. Okay, so I'm just going to cross multiply. So how we have X equals 0.01 mole multiplied by 303. So in all, I'm expected to have 3.03 grams of lead tetraoxo sulfate 6. Okay, so we have been able to solve that for our question. So we have been able to do for mass to mole. So please kindly solve more questions on that stoichiometry. We'll be going to other aspects of chemistry in our subsequent videos. So thank you for staying tuned to the channel. Please kindly subscribe and share to your friends that something is happening with Chem Classroom with Aunty Taiwo.